Okay guys, so it's very important to check your jars when they come in. I had a shipment of mason jars, wide mouth, delivered to me. I actually had 2 packs of these, 2 cases. And as you can see, one of them was shattered. So I have to safely open this up and clear all the glasses, all that broken glass off, so I can use them for my canning. So today what we're gonna do, I'm gonna make several flavors of jam. I'm gonna start with my strawberry jam, and I'm prepping everything up so I don't make a long video. So stay tuned so you can see what jam we're making today. And I will have photos in it in this video. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is today's harvest. This is a mixture of all the greens. Mustard tenders, mustard greens, turnip greens, collard greens. So next phase is to wash them and get them ready. Also, I did some canning, pineapple jam, strawberry jam, and we're getting ready to do some apple and grape. This week has been a very busy week for me, but I did get a chance to harvest from my porch, as well as we're going to take a look at the big garden. So here at the big garden, I got a chance to harvest the greens. Here, the collards, the mustard, and the turnips. Over here, I harvested the fruit peppers that was left. And keeping an eye on this pineapple and that lonely watermelon. Maybe it'll do, maybe it won't. The fennel is growing pretty good. And I harvested greens from here, the mustard greens. Took it all the way back. I have a few banana peppers, sweet peppers trying to come in. Over here is doing really, really good. The cabbage and the pak choy is coming up. But the one in the pool, as you notice, is growing faster. The broccoli and the cauliflower is doing pretty good. I did harvest from over here. Believe it or not, I cut it all the way back. I could have cut it some more, but I think I had a pretty decent harvest from where I cut it from. So I cut my basil all the way down because basil is about to be done with. I have some kohlrabi, blue kohlrabi starting to come in here. I have some more kale, greens, turnip greens, collard greens, and curly leaf kale. Here, I'm going to remember in a minute because every time I walk away, I remember what I planted here. But those seedlings are doing pretty good so far. This plantain and this moringa is doing good. You can see the moringa leaves sticking out. Over here, I have my red onions, and leeks are growing here. I have my white kohlrabi poking out here. I have nothing in these two right now. Over here, I have my carrots and carrots. So right now, like I said, I cut my greens all the way back. My goal is to keep them cut back. Now this is the pak choy that I started after the other one in the red trough, and this one appears to be doing better. And if you know me, you know I like to always try different locations to see which one is going to grow best. So soon I will start snipping away over here. And I told you before, I like to cut before the bugs get them. I will be coming out doing a harvest on my herbs. I'm gonna cut them back. The marjoram is looking really good, and the sage, everything is looking good. So yeah, cutting it back for the winter. And I'm gonna recheck my greenhouse. I still have to do a little extermination, making sure I don't have any ants growing up in there. I have my hoops that I'm gonna put, most likely, I don't know, because in Texas you don't need them much, but I'm gonna show you another project I'm working on. So right here is in the front. Remember those beds there? I don't have anything in those beds except from that little corner. I have my asparagus. Why? Because you see those weeds that's right there? They still want to keep growing, and I've chopped and chopped and chopped, so I'm tired of it. Here, I laid cardboard down, laid me some black liner. I have a bag of compost and 3 bags of topsoil with sphagnum and peat moss in it. I'm going to get me 3 more huge bags to finish filling this up, and I'm going to put my perennials and all my irises and stuff in here. So this is just going to be plants only in the front, just to give it a little extra look for the front. I didn't center it. It don't bother me. But I did want to do something with all those perennial bulbs I have. So stay tuned and we'll see how everything is taking place. I'm glad you tuned in, and I'm sorry I haven't put a video out in a while, but hey, work come first. So again, have a blessed day. I would like for you to like the video or dislike the video, comment, you can share it, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always know when Love Lady's Gardening Projects and More is putting out a video. See you soon.